Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
All right, Junk Bonanza opens 10 days from today. I've been having anxiety attacks all morning. Nothing will shut it down. So I had to eat dark chocolate because the internet said so. I went at lunch and bought dark chocolate because I'm like, what foods help with anxiety? Which some of them are like blueberries. I drink those in my smoothies. I'm gonna go home and do my smoothies. But one of them was dark chocolate. I'm like, I'm in. Let's get some anxiety relief. Eat some dark chocolate. And beef. I'm like, okay then, roast beef sandwich for lunch with dark chocolate side. It's all pricing and packing, all price pack all week long. Find all the pieces and parts I'm missing. One of my new coworkers gave me an entire bin full of stuff we're gonna go through. Her mom collected antiques and vintage stuff, and she doesn't want this. And she may have more stuff to just get rid of. Some of them are like tins and things like that, so that was cool. Very nice of her. I'm gonna give her money tomorrow. I gotta get some change, and then I'm gonna give her some money tomorrow because I can't just take and not give her something. I said, well, at least take her for a nice dinner. I told her I'd give her money. But anyway. Yeah, so I'm on my way. We're gonna do that all night. Figure out where stuff is. Gotta find that samovar. Can't find it. I'm still annoyed with myself. I put it somewhere, or it got stolen. I don't know. Either way, gotta find it. All right, on my way home. I didn't show you my porch all finished. Ta-da! Look no nice now. And this is currently the back of Fluffy. That's gotta come out. That's gotta come out. I'm thinking of taking the hutch top. So the hutch, just the base sold, and they left the top behind. And now I'm thinking I'll take it to Junk Bonanza and stage stuff in it, because why not, right? So I've got that. And then there's another cabinet under there that needs to come out. But all the stuff for Junk Bonanza is blocking access to my garage because I moved it all forward. So now I gotta do the crazy girl shuffle where I gotta get all that stuff out so I can get this stuff in and then get that stuff in here. And I'm praying my back doesn't give out. So I get to work. Now we need to tell the other dogs to shut up. Anyway, I'm gonna bring 3 half-empty bins in the house to repack. But I got everything that shouldn't be in the van out of the van, except the one gossip bench, which is gonna go to Packet. And the only way I can get it there is in Fluffy, so. Seriously, I'm gonna stroke out doing this. I'm getting too old and fat to do this. Anyway. Whew. It's a lot of moving, and it's gonna get hotter this week, and I wanted to make sure that that part got done now because it's supposed to get hot. The whole rest of the week is gonna be hot and muggy, and then like Sunday, it's gonna be nice and cool when I can load the big load. So that's my plan, at least, is stack things in here until Sunday, because it's gonna rain Saturday and then be nice and cool on Sunday. So should be perfect. So I'm gonna get these inside. I got a bunch of pricing, a bunch of packing to do. I wanna move things from bin to bin. And I gotta find that damn coffee pot, the samovar. I think it's in the blue bin that I saw buried in there. So I'm gonna say it is, and then keep my fingers crossed. Because I checked all these, and it's not in these. It's not in the ones in the van. And it's not in the ones in the house. So there's like one bin I haven't gone in the garage, and I'm hoping that's the one. If not, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry a lot. My stress level is off the chart. Then my husband started grilling me about, how are you gonna do this? How are you gonna, I'm like, stop, I can't, you can't do it. I'm like panicking already, so don't do it. So I told him to stop. Being able to work helps. Like, just getting the energy out, the nervous energy that, you know, when your body's being flooded with anxiety, being able to physically do something and make progress helps. But I have an Etsy shipment that I sold on Saturday night, and I didn't get it out yesterday, so I'm gonna go get it packed up and out the door tomorrow. So I gotta do that tonight and brace and pack, brace and pack, brace and pack, brace and pack. Well, the Etsy shipment is done, and there's a couple other things I got done too. So yay, this is going out tomorrow. And then I got that done. I've been, like I said, moving stuff around. So those are ready to go out to the, Margot. Ready to go out to the van. And this is next, this pile here. So these boxes are empty, by the way. They just have packing material in them. That's why they look like a hot freaking mess. That's all packing stuff too. My husband is being driven completely insane by the mess, but you know, it's Junk Bonanza. In all honesty, this is the week that moves fairly quickly because I don't have a choice. So he's just gonna have to freak out for a little bit, and then I'm gonna sort through these bins, repack them, and it's gonna be great. Yeah, so it's gonna be great. This is gonna be fine. Right, Margot? Right? She's looking at me like I'm insane. He's looking at me like I'm insane too. I'd put them in the entryway when I came in, and then Victoria jumped on me about something on her computer, so I sat down to do that, and that's when he walked in and saw them in the entryway, and he was like, why are these here? And I'm like, set them down so I can do the stuff with the kid. But, you know, it's almost over. It's almost over. No more pain. No more pain. It's only a week left, but every night I'm going to have to do that kind of work. Most of it is priced. It's just moving the stuff out of bins where it went to pick it. And then some of the bins have newer things in it. So then I have to take the vintage things I can take to Junk Bonanza out and get them all sorted. So it's just a little frustrating because the 6 months between Junk Bonanzas, the 6-7 months between Junk Bonanzas, everything gets remixed in with picket fence stuff, and some of the stuff is not 40 years old or older. So that's where the chaos kind of comes in. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that I hadn't priced and packed from shopping all summer, but in all honesty, like these two bins here have things I have to sort through. I just have to move back and forth. They're all priced. I just have to figure out what can go and what can't go and get them sorted out. So, it's okay. I'm gonna not get overwhelmed by it, and we're just gonna move forward. Everybody breathe. Breathe. Everyone breathe. So, yeah, I'm just glad I got my Etsy shipment done. I remember that. That's super important today. I'm just gonna keep going. I've got about another hour before I go to bed. I'm not going to film anymore tonight. I'm sorry. I know these videos this week are really super duper short, but they are what they are because I can't do much more than what I'm doing now. I just can't. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.